can.
I forgot him. His name is Stefan.
Stefan, yeah.
Stefan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, what did you wear when you were in India growing up?
This kind of dresses.
Salwar kameez?
Punjabi suit, yeah, salwar kameez. Oh, you know salwar kameez then.
No.
Yeah.
That's what I
Only
wear.
in college time, like couple time, I wear pant because you know we live in like little background area, and my dad he don't allow us. So when I live in college and hostel, then I wear sometime pant. When I come back home, I cannot wear.
Did you ever wear a skirt?
Just one time. I borrow from my friend. You saw my picture, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and one time, like couple time, I wear sari also, like on college function, or otherwise I always wear like suit. And when I was little, I wear pajami. Yeah.
So,
And hairstyle like make always long like what they call
Braid.
Braid, yeah.
why wouldn't your dad allow you to wear Western clothes? Why did you have to wear Punjabi?
Something like that.
Maybe pant kyun nahi si paun dende?
Because we live in backward area, rural area. We don't live in big city. Like people live in Delhi and big city, they wear everything.
Yeah.
But my parents, like they are farmers, so we live in countryside. So over there, nobody live. Nobody wear pants, shirts. Girl, they don't wear. They wear only Punjabi suit.
Did you ever want to wear Western clothes, or did you see it didn't matter to you when you went to hostel and university? Were you excited to wear Western clothes, or
not actually really, because we used to wear suits. So still, I live over here. I wear suit. When I was in California, I wear always Punjabi suit. But over here is weather is cold, so that's why most of the time I wear pants, jeans. So sometimes I just want like wear pant and shirt, but especially just in my mind, like after 9/11, like we thinking because too many happen, like the people wear turban, people wear Punjabi suit. Sometimes we heard like when they cross the road, people give bad comments. So that's why especially like, okay, if I go to store, mall with my daughter, with my kids, I'm comfortable with my like Punjabi suit. I don't mind. But especially like evening time, night time, if I go to store by myself, I wear pant shirt, then I feel like more safe, more comfortable, and I don't wear any jewelry also. Otherwise, I used to like wear jewelry like my chain all the time. Even when my daughter was very young, like she wear like chain, earrings, bracelet, everything.
I used to have gold jewelry.
Yeah, gold jewelry.
Now I don't wear
yeah,
it.
but
just
now I don't
because.
wear either. Like today, I know you coming, so that's why I wear those things. Because sometimes I think, oh, I don't feel safe.
And how about you, Manpreet? So since you were born in California,
I think so. When I was college, it was like my first time being away from family and like being away from that bubble of like Indian families that you grow up in. And so there was a period when I started like missing all things Indian. Like I started watching Bollywood movies, and I'd never really like cared about Bollywood movies before that. Like a little bit, but not as much as like I started trying to like find a way to connect back with the Indianness.
She's happy, so she's living here.
Yeah. ਤੇ ਕਦੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੀ ਹੁਣ ਯਾਦ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਤੇ
ਨਾ ਯਾਦ ਤਾਂ ਖੈਰ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਰਹੇ ਹੋਈਏ ਇੰਨਾ ਚਿਰ
ਅਗਨ ਦੱਸੋ ਵੀ ਯਾਦ ਤੇ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ
ਯਾਦ ਤਾਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਆ ਪਰ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਰਹਿ ਕੇ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹਾਂ
she has same answer like
she
me.
misses India, but she's happier living here.
From college after a couple of months when we have vacation and we have to cover our head like that with the chunni when we come back home. Otherwise my dad get mad. And in college we don't cover our head.
how do you feel about that change about India, about Indian women dressing more Western?
Education.
Yeah. Do you think it's a good thing, a bad thing? Do you think India is becoming less Indian?
No, like some parts are good, but some like not. That's confusing.
The question's confusing,
Okay.
or the
Say confusing किया like कुछ थे
नहीं,
explain करो.
like we like the India like growing, changing, because you know the when I was very young I saw like some Indian women, they cover all the time like her face, even like their mother-in-law said to them they cannot sit like same, like if mother-in-law sit there and the daughter-in-law have to sit down on floor. So that kind difference we didn't like that time either. But now they change a lot, so they can talk each other.
Have you ever worn Western clothes, or have you ever had a desire?
Oh, she never.
No.
बीबी कदे पैंट पाउन दा जी नहीं कीता.
जी करदा? No.
No. Never? No desire? No.
The same thing, you know, I have like a couple people I take care, like my other Indian lady. She from Delhi, and she always wear pant shirts because she went to college in India, she went to school, and she been here like more than 40 years. So she don't wear no more sari, just only on function. So same thing like my mom, she never go to college, never go to school. She always wear this suit, so she